Hi guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today we want to have a quick look at the IR Bender. That's our code, IR-Bender. And where you would use this device is, let's say you had a decoder inside of a TV cabinet or hidden behind a television and the remote just wasn't reaching it. You would simply use this device to enable the IR to be received by the remote and then retransmitted back to the device inside of the cupboard. So this is quite nice. If you have a TV cabinet or an amplifier that's hidden away, you can still control it without having it being in view of everyone. Some very important things to note in terms of how this device is powered up. I just want to grab it out for you guys. It is powered up by the USB port. So most multi-choice decoders come with USB, and that will power up the device. And it's quite straightforward. There's a TX and an RXI. If you guys have any questions or comments on the device, or you need some help with your setup, please get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you. Have a wonderful day.